guys, this is Vanya Mishra
And this is Sanjana Mishra.
and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we are going to be doing a siblings challenge and इस challenge में हम लोगों ने total 20 questions एक दूसरे के लिए निकाले हैं and among those 20 questions 10 questions are going to be personal life related while 10 questions are going to be like would you rather.
Yeah, so in those 10 questions, in those personal 10 questions, whoever is going to give the answer wrong, they have to drink this lemon juice. And like, this is a pure lemon juice. So, like, you can
Let me tell you all that we both hate lemon juices. Like हम लोग हमारी मम्मी बोलती है हम लोगों को रोज की लेमन जूस दाल में डाल लो बेटा सब्जी में डाल लो but we both hate that. इसी वजह से we opted for this lemon juice rather than chilies and all. So yeah, let's not waste the time here and without any further ado, let's quickly jump into it.
okay, so I'll start with the personal question. So, do you want to start?
No, you start.
Okay, so my first question is, what did I always want to become when I grew up?
When you were growing up, you always wanted to become a doctor. It's so freaking easy. Like हमारे घर की maid को भी पता होता था कि इसको डॉक्टर बनना है बड़ों के. So yeah, a doctor. So
Okay.
my turn now. So it's like a pretty tough one. So what were my 5 favorite serials when I was a kid? And it could be animated too.
5.
5 favorite serials when I was a kid.
Okay, Sonpari. ठीक है. शरारत. हातिम. शाकाला का भालू साहब की कहानियाँ. मिकी माउस.
You are sort of correct, but actually, no,
Alien.
Yeah. Actually, it's kind of the whole Disney hour.
Yeah,
thing.
exactly.
So it's fine. I'll give you the point because Mickey Mouse comes under Disney hour only. So yeah.
Yeah,
Good
obviously,
girl.
yeah, you are
तो
right.
यार मुझे लगा था तो शरारत के हाथ में से गायब कर देगी.
I remember even their title song there is where like अगर बोलेगा title से इतू बिट्टू
I'll start with the second question. So my second question is, what did I like more, like Domino's or Maggi?
but that depends what you want to eat. Like if you want to eat
No, not depends on all. No, I don't want this kind of explanation. एक proper answer मुझे दो.
so I will tell you.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay, so answer is wrong because my favorite is McD.
Don't you depend
I have written the answers here just for the proof, but मैं दिखा नहीं सकती कि नीचे
मुझे छुपा के दिखाओ.
Be ready for this.
ये कब मैंने वो
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G. Snoop Dogg.
Okay, so moving on to the next question, that is, what was my worst fear as a kid? Has it changed?
See, इसका बचपन में बहुत सारे fears होते थे तो जिसमें से biggest fear एक तो horror movies बहुत ज़्यादा डरावने होते थे जिसके लिए
I'm talking about the particular thing. I'm not talking about the movie or something like
तो
that.
जिससे एक इसको इस चीज़ से डर लगता था कि मैं पहले बचपन में डिस्कवरी देखती थी तो डिस्कवरी में वो आते थे ना कि अभी धरती खत्म हो जाएगी और ब्ला 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 एक्सप्लोशन हो जाएगा एस्ट्रॉइड टकरा जाएगा तो वो सब चीज़ें से शी यूज्ड टू स्केयर अ लॉट और वो सब चीज़ें इसको कभी देखना पसंद नहीं था और आज भी अगर मैं बात कर देती हूँ कि वर्ल्ड खत्म होने वाला है इस फलाना ईयर में या जो भी एक्सरसाइज तो शी यूज्ड टू फ्रीक आउट लाइक एनीथिंग तो
Take your time. I'm not forcing you at all. So,
okay, so I'll go with the space wala thing. I know the answer is wrong. So space wave खत्म होता
okay, yeah, I am scared of that thing, but the answer is wrong. The only thing जिससे मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा डर लगता है, and that is one and only भूत. Okay, so the question is, what was one embarrassing obsession game of my childhood?
Okay, was it Sonpari?
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Okay, fine. Okay, so that is correct. So ये एक गेम था जो हम लोगों ने बनाया था, basically दीदी ने बनाया था. Which was
छोटी सी स्टोरी बताते हैं हमको आपको क्योंकि आपको पता है कि बचपन में जो 90s का किड होता है तो वो सब सोनपरी शकलाका बूम बूम हातिम शरारत ये सब सीरियल देख के बड़ा हुआ होता है ठीक है तो मैं सोनपरी जब आता था मेरे टाइम पे तो ये मुझसे 6 साल छोटी है यानी बिलीव दैट स्टिल शी इज टॉलर देन मी सो या तो उस टाइम पे सोनपरी जब आता था तो मैं शायद से 3rd 4th 5th इसी कुछ क्लासेस में थी तो आप समझ सकते हैं उस टाइम उस एज में मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा वो लगता था कि यार परी होती हैं ब्ला ब्ला तो मैं इसको पागल बनाती थी ये बोल के कि परियां सच में होती हैं और जब तुम 18 ईयर्स नहीं जब तुम 13 ईयर्स की हो जाओगी ना 12 ईयर्स की हो जाओगी तुम्हें
Because at that point she was 12 years and I was of 6 years I guess.
हाँ 6 साल कम
So I always used to wait कि मैं जल्दी से 12 years की हूँ और फिर मुझे भी एकदम दिखेगा and then when I मतलब मुझे वही 12 साल के आता है कि shit she just told me just tell me it's nothing but that's a stupid game.
Just move on to the 4th question. So my 4th question is, हु इज माई फेवरेट यूट्यूबर? ओके, फेवरेट लिस्ट नहीं मांग रही हूँ, वो एक जिसने मुझे इंस्पायर किया टू स्टार्ट माई चैनल, वो एक जिसको मैंने फॉलो किया टू स्टार्ट माई चैनल.
Okay, Malvika Sitwal.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
ओके, सो यस शी इज करेक्ट, क्योंकि उन्हीं को देख के मैंने अपना यूट्यूब चैनल स्टार्ट किया एंड शी इंस्पायर्ड मी अ लॉट. सो या आगे बढ़ो.
ठीक है, तो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, डू यू नो हु इज माय सेलिब्रिटी क्रश?
सेलिब्रिटी क्रश.
Like, I was just mad about him when I was in my 8th class, 8th standard or 9th standard.
रॉबर्ट पैटिंसन.
Yeah. He's
Okay, so fifth question है, if I could live anywhere else in this world, what would it be?
in this world. Like,
मतलब think.
like just tell me, is it from India?
No,
No, it's not from India.
not from India.
Obviously, I guess. Paris?
Nope. Already 3 आंसर हो चुके हैं, तो इसको पता नहीं चला. So the correct, no, इतने सारे choices है, तुमको पता चली जाएगा. So the correct answer is America, New York. So yeah, I really like that city. और अगर मुझे मौका मिले कि मुझे अपनी बची हुई लाइफ पूरी लाइफ किसी एक शहर में गुजारनी पड़े, so yeah, it would be New York.
I was only stupid one who chose this that easy questions for you. That
Yeah, चलो भी आ जाओ, अमृत पी लो.
कम कर देना.
चलो.
Okay, so my next question is, what is my favorite movie, Hollywood or Bollywood दोनों?
तो हॉलीवुड एक हो सकती, ट्वाइलाइट सीरीज.
Just give me one answer. I'm not gonna tell you anything like this.
अरे नहीं, हॉलीवुड हो सकती है हैरी पॉटर. यार तुम मोस्ट फेवरेट कैसे कैटेगराइज करोगे? तो
Yeah, like you categorize your favorite, most favorite YouTuber. So do I like? Okay.
बॉलीवुड में तो मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा कंफ्यूजन है, क्योंकि बॉलीवुड पे यार ये जवानी है दीवानी में भी जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा. ठीक है, तो आई गो विद बॉलीवुड में, तो आई गो विद हैरी पॉटर. एंड हॉलीवुड में आई गो विद हैरी पॉटर, और बॉलीवुड में आई गो विद मैंने इसको बॉलीवुड में कोई मूवीज कभी देखते नहीं देखा, पता नहीं अपने मन से इसने क्या सोचा है. सो आई गो विद ये जवानी है दीवानी.
Okay, so your answer is wrong. ठीक है, Hollywood में मेरी favorite movie है obviously Twilight, and obvious, it was so obvious, like Robert Pattinson.
नो बेब्स, आप हैरी पॉटर भी नहीं देखते हो अभी आज?
Yes, but it's vice versa. भाई आप ज्योति शेट्टी का भी तो चैनल देखते हैं, similarly
Okay,
follow,
ठीक है, चलो.
और Bollywood में I'm a big die-hard fan of Om Shanti Om. How could you forget that? Like,
अच्छा संजना, इसी ओम शांति ओम की बात पे लेट्स शो आवर ऑडियंस दैट डायलॉग.
it was like कि मैं जब भी बोलती थी and someone asked me to do that dialogue and say it, तो मैं वो रमेश बाबू की जगह उसका नाम एक्सचेंज कर रही थी. It's basically like कि एक चुटकी सिंदूर की कीमत तुम क्या जानो वान्या बाबू, and ईश्वर का सुहाग होता है एक चुटकी सिंदूर.
Okay, so next question is, what is that one thing that I want to change about you?
Change about me? Yeah. Okay, I guess I know this. ठीक है, तो the only thing she always wanted to say about me is कि मेरा थोड़ा stubborn nature है, हर बात पे उछल जाता है. Like I get irritated so easily.
Yeah.
Like anybody can just like you, and I'm like. Yes. So yeah, she hates this about me.
So
and she
इसमें
really want me to change.
आंसर भी मैंने ये लिखा है, छोटी छोटी बातों पर चिढ़ना. So yeah, चलो तुम्हारी टर्न.
Yes. My next question is, what am I insecure about? Like about myself.
About yourself.
Yeah.
I think your body.
Okay, and elaborate it why.
So okay, she's it's related to her body because she's most insecure about her body, the way she looks, और उसको ऐसा लगता है कि हम लोग के थोड़ी hereditary है. The people are so skinny. Like अभी तो I have put on some weight, but I used to be skinny.
Like me.
हाँ, but I was so skinny before when I was in school and colleges. So yeah, and the same thing is now happening with her. और सभी लोग body shame करते हैं, आप लोगों को तो पता ही like.
Like yeah,
No,
basically I'm
let's-
insecure about my height. And
So yeah,
my
height and
skinny.
yeah.
Okay, so yeah.
Okay, so let's move on to the 8th and the last question of this series. The last question here: when did me and Udit met? Like the specific year and how long we dated before getting married?
Okay, I guess they meet in 11th or 12th class. Just a second, let me count the years.
12th, like other 12th का started school को first, second, third, fourth year, फिर drop, फिर MTech 2001, 2, and then you both got engaged.
I guess these people meet in 12th class, or they committed in 12th class, And शादी के पहले I guess their relationship of 9 years, and now I guess it's 11 years. अभी शादी हो गई तो it's not. Yeah, I'm right.
Yeah, absolutely correct.
Oh my god.
चलो last question पूछो मुझसे.
Am I a beach person or a mountain person?
She's a beach person.
And why?
Because you like beaches, because you have never been to beach. Mountains में तो she have traveled a lot, like Shimla and all. और इसलिए I guess she's a beach person.
Okay, so her answer is wrong because I am a mountain person. I love to travel like Shimla, Manali.
ट्रैवल तुम बीच में भी ट्रैवल कर सकते हो.
No, but अगर मुझे कोई प्रेफरेंस पूछेगा कि मैं कहाँ पहले जाऊँ तो डेफिनेटली मैं मेरे स्कूल ट्रिप पे क्यों नहीं गई थी. मैं राजस्थान जा रहे थे for the beaches. मैं राजस्थान जा रहे थे for the beaches, for the beaches, for the beaches.
राजस्थान में कौन सा बीच है?
मतलब नहीं वहाँ पे था लाइक मैं नहीं, they were not going to Rajasthan, they were going to Mumbai.
Okay, got it. I got it wrong.
Yay!
पूछना मेरे पास. तू खुद ले लेना.
नहीं, I don't trust you.
ठीक है. तो सारे क्वेश्चंस तो अब हमारे हो गए हैं. So now we'll jump into would you rather. तो अब मैं स्टार्ट करती हूँ.
Yeah.
So the first question is, if you had the power to shrink anything and take it with you, what would it be?
Okay, take it with me wherever I go.
Yeah.
So that would be my house with my family members in there. I just want to shrink them and I just want to put them with me.
Okay, so the second question is, if you could kill off any character from Friends, who would it be?
That would be a tough one. But Emily, I guess.
I'm not talking about the side characters. No. अच्छा, अपने specific. Yeah, ऐसे तो गंथर को मार दो तुम. No, specifically those 5 or 6 characters.
पहले मैंने गंतर का ही सोचा था.
नहीं यार, specifically वाले characters 5-6 में से. जल्दी बताओ.
Phoebe, I guess. Like I don't know. I didn't go on
TV
that.
fans are going to comment
No,
down below.
like, I
चलो ठीक
love
है,
her
it's
so
okay. You
much,
have to
but-
choose one. चलो पूछो तुम्हारी तरफ.
So my next question is, would you rather have to shave your head forever or lose all of your teeth forever?
I would rather lose all my teeth and then to shave my hairs, क्योंकि दांत तो मैं नकली भी लगवा लूंगी, बट विग निकालने का बड़ा झंझट होता है. और दांतों का क्या है?
No, like no, nothing. नहीं को दिख नहीं लगा सकती. मैं चाहता हूँ you like the पोपली ऐसे वो.
तो पोपली. तो मे बी अब देन उस केस में फिर मैं अपने बाल पूरी तरीके से कर दूंगा. टकले होने पे आप स्कार्फ लगा सकते हैं. क्या आप
Yeah,
चांसेस?
I can do that.
चलो ठीक है. So my turn. Would you rather be able to talk with animals or speak all foreign languages?
I would rather speak with the animal. क्योंकि मैं इतनी लैंग्वेज सीख के करूँगी.
Yes, मैं भी वही choose करती हूँ.
मतलब I love animals more than humans. तो मैं क्यों इतनी लैंग्वेज?
Yeah. चलो.
Okay. Would you rather lick a dirty trash can or the bathroom floor?
ये मैंने भी पढ़ा था would you rather जब हम निकालते थे, बट मैंने चूज नहीं किया. Would you rather? I think I'll lick the bathroom floor, and because bathroom तो मैं धो के भी चाट सकती हूँ, but dirty trash will be dirty, so yeah. बाथरूम में धो सकती हूँ ना, अच्छे से वॉश कर सकती हूँ.
And then lick it.
चल, would you rather wear a clown wig or a clown nose for your entire life?
Clown wig. I think कि मैं clown wig लगाने के बाद भी I will.
Circus.
Overconfidence to the next level.
Would you rather have teeth that are super crude or teeth that are yellow as banana? Like extremely yellow.
I think yellow is banana वाला. I'll choose because crooked teeth तो nobody wants और बहुत ज़्यादा गंदे लगते हैं. So I don't want that, so I'll go with the banana वाले दांत. ठीक है. Would you rather run across a hungry alligator's back or run underneath an angry elephant?
उसके ऊपर घड़ियाल
हाँ, क्योंकि हाथ वाली कुछ नहीं है तो
यहाँ पर गिर गए तो चांसेस तो है बच
जाने के. Okay.
Would you rather kiss a frog or hug a snake?
I would hug a snake. I'll never kiss a frog. I hate frog. I hate everything which jumps or which, सारे reptiles
Okay.
को पसंद नहीं आते.
Sure.
हालांकि snake भी एक reptile है, but I don't know. Would you rather have power to read minds or have power to become invisible?
Has power to become invisible, क्योंकि फिर मैं कहीं भी जा सकती हूँ, लोगों के मन में क्या है, मैं ये भी जान सकती हूँ automatically, so I don't need to.
That's a good one.
Would you rather smell like a skunk or oink like a pig? मतलब skunk is an animal, it smells very
I know,
bad.
I know.
Or pigs are like oink oink. So what would you rather?
I would oink like a pig.
Doesn't smell. Like
Yeah, I don't want to smell, but I hate smelling.
Yeah.
Would you rather be sticky or itchy for the rest of your life?
Okay. Tell me why I'm crying right now.
ये तुमने भी same question किया. चलो same time पे आंसर कर लेंगे. Sticky. I would also go for sticky.
Alright.
पिछली वाले के पास भी बैठता भी नहीं है सोया.
Yes.
The last question of the series is: Would you rather float every time you try to jump? मतलब जब भी तुम कूदोगी तो कूदने की जगह तुम float करना,
हाँ.
या फिर ये करना पसंद करोगी, या फिर जब तक तुम चलो तो चलो नहीं कूदो.
नहीं float वाला तो first one यार. हमें जब कूदोगे थोड़ी ना, but ये solution सही है.
Yes.
Would you rather have a large mouse run across your leg while driving, or a large lizard crawl across all over your body while you are sleeping?
माउस वाला, आंख बंद करके माउस वाला. I hate lizards. मतलब मैं सपने
तो
में भी-
वर्ड ऑफ स्टोरी होगी ना.
No,
हमें ऐसा
don't even touch me.
You're like, she's imagining that. That is like, don't
I'm
touch me.
scared of lizards like hell. मतलब छिपकलियाँ मेरी सबसे biggest nightmares are lizards. So yeah, तुम क्या लोगी इसका आंसर?
Mouse, any time.
So yeah, I think this is it for this video, and yeah, I think we are done. We have finished
Yeah.
all the Q&As.
Like, we were very excited for doing this video.
And yeah, if you guys liked us together, and if you want to watch more videos like this, then do let us know in the comment sections down below, and do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, you can follow her on Instagram. She makes some amazing fashion related videos. Do check out her videos. She makes some amazing content out there. I'll leave her Instagram ID. It's Manny Quinn. So yeah, do follow her, and yeah, until then, see you next time. Bye bye. Hey guys, this is Vanya Mishra.
And I'm Sanjana.
मुंह सड़ा के हाय, ये एक नंबर की गंवार औरत है. इसको 2 लप्पड़ मारने चाहिए सुबह, 2 लप्पड़ शाम. इसको 2 लप्पड़ मारने चाहिए सुबह, 2 लप्पड़ शाम, 2 लप्पड़ शाम.
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G. Snoop Dogg.
Yes. So until then, bye bye. नहीं कुछ. So yes, until then, bye bye. नहीं, until then see you. So yes, until then, see you next time. Bye bye.